Hello everyone, and today's video is about unboxing a mattress. Because guys, bili kami sa online yung mattress na yan. So, we received today. So, I gonna show you our unboxing. Here we go. We never done this before. Our first time as well. So, go. That's it. This is the mattress in the box.
Now
We're gonna put there in the bed.
they pull the box off of it. It might be a bit hard to get out because it's very tight. Can you pull it out? Will it come out?
Very tight.
That's what I just said. Wait on. I'll cut the box. Just pull this back. Just pull this back. Oh.
Wait.
Just leave it like that on the bed. I'll get this box out of the way. Right.
Here we go. Finally.
Alright. Yeah, I just got to cut this across and then it will go like this. Okay. Plastic.
Naka-sell siya guys sa plastic.
Gee, how much plastic's on there?
Yeah, plenty plastic, very thick.
Spring open.
Open.
Closed.
Wait. I'm gonna get in underneath first. The plastic.
Give me a clean size ball. I think it goes around this way. Yeah. That's better. Which is the top and which is the bottom? Yeah, top and the bottom. Huh?
How can if I know? I must. This one is the top one.
How do you know?
Oh. Oh, wait. I think this one the bottom.
Yeah, they'll turn you over.
Get this one too.
Yeah, very careful. And over to me, right.
Get this one. You get it?
Got us the bottom. This is the top, the firm one. This.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, take it back to you again. The firm one is the top. The soft one is down the bottom.
I see.
Alright, put it on there. Does it fit? Fits. Right on.
But we open
Alright.
this. Very heavy, very heavy.
mate.
That's it. That's a mattress inside the box. We have our old mattress here underneath before, and we put there in outside. Eh? Yeah, see that? The old one. Yeah, we have to rid of this. Yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy today's video. He's asleep now because he's bugged. He's snoring. Bye. See ya to my next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye. The baggage mean is tired. That's their Australian slang. So I am bugged or I'm tired. Now I'm ready to sleep. Good night. Have fun.